Hope y'all can see that. Let me get a bite of that. I knew she was gonna say no. That's good. You know, seeing that? That is really good. Alright, welcome back, G back. Blah 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 blah. Welcome back, Tony Runs. It's your boy Tony TV, and I'm back with another video. I got my daughter staring me down. She think I'm crazy, but I am crazy. I'm gonna be making some crab wontons tonight, man. I got some regular crab meat. Bam. That's the regular lump crab meat. And I also got some claw. I love claw crab meat. So that's what I'm cooking tonight. Hope everybody had a great day today. Hit the like button for your boy and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Let's get to cooking. Alright guys, we got the crab meat here. We got the wonton wraps, as y'all can see. Wonton wraps in the water right here so I can make the edges stick or whatever, okay? We're gonna add some mayo, a little bit of mayo. Nice. And that's there's a little bit. And we're gonna, you know, you gotta have the obey. We're gonna add the obey. Alright? Get this bad boy a mix. We're gonna add a little bit more obey. And just a little tad bit of mayo. Alright, now that's mixed up, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get our wonton wrap. This is my first time doing this, guys, so work with me. Alright, we're gonna put some in the middle. I hope, oh, y'all can't see, I'm sorry. I hope that's probably too much. Alright, I'm gonna take a finger, dab the end. Alright, we're gonna bring that over like so. Pinch it with some water. I think. Let me see. Oh, yeah, see, that's not working.
3 days later.
And voila, look at that. The crab wonton. Alright guys, we are finally done rolling all these crab. Oh my god, that took about an hour almost. Damn near about an hour.
Nah, I don't believe it.
This is the lump crab meat. Now, let's get to frying. I'm hungry. I know I did. I probably edited that out. Alright. What? Oh, okay, I was about to say, where's the sizzle? Alright. Oh yeah. Yeah. That is frying up perfectly. You want to move them around a little bit, especially the folded ones. You want to get the other side. See that? They're fried, turn brownish or golden color real quick. So you want to make sure you flip them, because it's only crab. It's only crab meat. You don't want to cook them to the gods. It's not pork or nothing, so it's cooking real fast and short. Alright, extraction time. Yeah, wait a minute. Alright guys, I'm finally done the crab wontons. The kids love them. I got some duck sauce. You know when you order Chinese food, they got duck sauce. We got a whole bunch of packets of it. But let me put some on here. Y'all can see that. You get a bite of that. I need to get this later though. Mmm. That's good. You know, see in there? That's really good. Mmm. That's good. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'll probably be doing a mukbang with these. I got a whole bunch left, so. Y'all might see me tomorrow eating these, right? So, peace out.
Perfect.